Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you guys how to reset your Instagram Explore page in 2020. Unfortunately, there isn't really like a how do you say it, a reset your Instagram Explore page button or anything, but this is the best method there is. So yeah, let's get started. What you want to do is click on the three stripes at the top right corner. I want to open up your settings, and right here you want to click on security, and at the bottom this will say clear your search history. And I have just searched a few things up right here just to show you guys, and I'm gonna clear all, and then click clear all again, and this will have cleared all your search history. So then if you go to your Explore page and you just refresh for a bit, yeah, you can see that it may have changed, because this is a pretty freshly made account. The Explore page is pretty random, so not always does it like really make sense of everything that showed up. But yeah, basically once you've refreshed it and cleared your search history, you just want to click on certain posts, and for example this one, and then click on the three stripes and click on not interested, because I'm really not interested in that stuff. So you want to click on this one as well and feel like I'm not interested, and just keep doing that for all the posts you don't like. Maybe this is fun, maybe yeah that's nice, maybe this one not interested, and so on and so on. And keep searching for people you like, or pages you find funny or anything like that. And after a while, maybe a few hours, days or weeks, your Explore page will finally change to your to the stuff you like now, instead of before. And that's basically the best method on how to reset your Instagram Explore page. So I hope this video helps you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. I'll see you next time. Have a good day.